Hello and welcome to International Treasury Week. Once you access the event platform, you will land on the home page. Some notifications may appear here. To access these again, on the top right-hand corner, click the Alert button, and this is where you will see the various alerts. To update your profile, again, please click in the top right-hand corner and select My Profile. Here you can upload an image of yourself. Once you've selected it from your library, it will then ask you to select the area you want to include. Simply expand the circle like so and click Upload. There are other details that you can amend here, such as your name, job title, and perhaps write something about yourself in the About section here. When complete, please save changes. Returning to the home page, please click through to Sessions. You will see that there are some pre-recorded messages for you, as well as some other pre-recorded sessions throughout the days. Please click on the star on the right-hand side to add the various sessions to your own personal schedule. The live streams will be available at the times displayed. Please be reminded that all times are in British summertime. While the sessions are taking place, we urge you to ask any questions via the Q&A button. Simply type a question and press Submit. Please do give feedback after the session. Simply click on the option here and press Submit. And there'll be a variety of questions that you can work through. You can also make notes on the session. Simply type here and save. You can access your notes via your profile. You will see that you can navigate via the left-hand side here or via the home. Clicking through to attendees, this is where you can see all of the names of your fellow attendees, and you can certainly search for them too. Please click through into the various profiles to find out more. If the contact is speaking, then you will see the sessions displayed here that they are part of. Please click Chat if you want to start a conversation. You will see I've already started mine with Caroline. To see incoming messages and messages that you've already sent, please click through this message button on the top right-hand corner. To see the speakers at International Treasury Week, please click through to the speakers section. And again, you can click through into their various profiles, again listing the sessions that they're involved in. Please click on to sponsors and supporters to find out more about them. You can click through into their profiles and access their website via this button here. Please join the conversation via the discussion forum. Simply type a message here, by all means add a photo and click Submit. Or you can like other comments and comment on them here. For help at any point, please click through to this session and you will see some how-to guides. Alternatively, you are very welcome to reach out to us at events@treasurers.org. Please find various information about the ACT in the About the ACT section. Please see our social media pages through the social media section. And you can also read some of the ACT publications. Simply click to download. We've already touched on feedback on the individual sessions, but you can also click through this way and click on the session that you would like to comment on. Returning to the home page, I would like to show you that there is 3 clocks here just to help you navigate in terms of the time difference. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of our sponsors. We hope you enjoy International Treasury Week.